It was a drizzly start for some of us this morning. It will brighten up nicely this afternoon, but it's probably best to keep your coat nearby as there is still a risk of showers. These showers could be quite blustery at times across Scotland, some quite strong winds moving through here, particularly around exposed coast. That'll move the showers along quite nicely, but there's still a chance of the odd heavy one, particularly across Lincolnshire and Yorkshire. And across this south, it should be mostly dry across this southeast, but that cloud lingering on. But across parts of Devon and Cornwall, parts of southwest England, that drizzle is here to stay through much of the afternoon. But across northern central areas, it will brighten up in between the showers, and where you do see any dry weather, any brighter spells, it is going to be feeling warm and pleasant, highs reaching around 25, possibly 26 degrees Celsius in the southeast. Now those winds will continue to strengthen across Scotland, particularly across northern parts of Scotland where showers are set to continue as well, before perhaps longer spells of rain starting to move through into the northwest during the early hours of the morning. But elsewhere across England and Wales, it is going to be a mostly dry night, plenty of clear skies. And what you might notice is it is going to be particularly mild in the south, some towns and cities not dropping much past 15 to 16 degrees, a little cooler in northern areas. And that is where it's set to be blustery through much of Friday. Still some outbreaks of rain, this heavy at times, particularly across Shetland and Orkney, and those strong winds are set to continue even as we head through into the afternoon. But elsewhere across England and Wales, it should be a rather pleasant end to the week. Plenty of sunshine, and once again temperatures up a little compared to this afternoon. So feeling warm once again, highs reaching around 25 to 26 degrees Celsius, but always that little bit cooler in the breeze across northern areas. And then notice this swirl of cloud and rain starting to push its way into the northwest later on Friday, once again dragging in some strong winds across the northwest of Scotland. So that's the next system we need to keep an eye on. Plenty of rain starting to move through into parts of Scotland, but elsewhere notice that ridge of high pressure stretching across the southern half of the country. So Friday into Saturday once again should be plenty of dry weather and plenty of sunny spells too. Then all eyes are really on this area of low pressure out into the Atlantic. This is soon to become ex-tropical storm Dexter, and there's a chance that could potentially bring some interesting weather over the weekend, possibly even some heatwave conditions, as well as maybe some rain and some stronger winds. But if you want more details on this weekend's weather, you can catch Alex Burkill later on YouTube.